Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Performlife Assist. So in today's video I will share a job information with you all. This is from the Government of India, Department of Atomic Energy, Atomic Minerals Directorate for Exploration and Research. So in this video I will discuss key points of the notification. Rest you can check the complete notification at my Telegram channel. The link of Telegram channel will be available in the description of this video. Applications are invited through online mode only, and the last date for applying is 24th of October. So now let's take a look at what's the job profile and the required educational qualifications. There are so many job categories mentioned in the notification, but I have picked only those in which BSc Physics student can apply. So first one is Scientific Assistant B Physics. Pay scale is 35,400. Number of posts, there is no post for SC, ST and EWS candidate. There is one post for OBC candidate and 3 for unreserved categories. So total number of posts are 4. Required educational qualifications are BSc with Physics, Mathematics and Chemistry with minimum 60% aggregate marks. BSc with Physics, Maths and Geology with minimum 60% aggregate marks, or BSc Honors in Physics with minimum 60% aggregate marks, right? So if you are a student who is having BSc with Physics, Maths and Chemistry, or with Physics, Maths and Geology, or just Honors in Physics and having minimum 60% aggregate marks, then you are eligible for this post. So next comes the age limit. Minimum age limit is 18 years and the maximum age limit for OBC candidate is 33 years and for unreserved candidate is 30 years. There is one more post for which the students who are graduate in physics along with chemistry and maths can apply. So this is the post of Scientific Assistant B Chemistry. Pay scale is same, 35,400. Number of posts are, for SC candidate there is no post, for ST candidate there is one post, for OBC there is one post, for EWS there is one post, for unreserved there is 2 posts. So total number of posts are 5. Educational qualifications are, first is BSc with Chemistry, Maths and Physics with a minimum 60% aggregate marks, or BSc with Chemistry, Geology and Physics with minimum 60% aggregate marks, or BSc with Chemistry, Mathematics and Geology with minimum 60% aggregate marks, or BSc Honors in Chemistry with minimum 60% aggregate marks. So next comes age limit. Minimum age limit is 18 and maximum age limit for ST candidate is 35 years, for OBC candidate is 33 years, for EWS and unreserved maximum age limit is 30 years. So application fees for the post of scientific assistant for all discipline is 200 rupees and fee will be paid online only. So next is candidates who are exempted from the payment of application fee. First is candidates belonging to SC/ST category, second ex-servicemen, third persons with physical disability, fourth women candidates. So these 4 category candidates are exempted from the payment of application fee. Next, let's take a look at what's the selection procedure for scientific assistant. The selection process involves 2 steps. First is written examination, second is interview. The pattern of written examination is mentioned. There will be 100 questions. Each question will carry 3 marks, so total 300 marks. Negative marking is there, -1 mark for wrong answer, and the duration of examination is 2 hours. The written examination will be conducted in the mode of CBT. So test will be computer based. 16 cities are mentioned and candidates will have to opt for 3 cities, and that too in the order of preference. After selection, candidate will be posted at any one of these regions like New Delhi, Bangalore, Nagpur, Jamshedpur, Shillong, Jaipur and Hyderabad, or in its sectional office located at Visakhapatnam and Thiruvananthapuram. I have discussed all the key points of the notification in today's video, and if you are interested in applying for this job, then you can check the detailed notification at my Telegram channel. So the link of the Telegram channel will be available in the description of the video. the official website link of AMD, that is Atomic Minerals Directorate for Research and Exploration. The official website link will also be available in the description of the video. You can check that also. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find the information useful, then give this video a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And don't forget to press the subscribe button for more physics related jobs and exams.